This is my bird feeder. Obviously it's a bird feeder. I can't identify those, but we get some beautiful birds here. Get one that was almost turquoise, translucent, whatever. It was just gorgeous. The compromise Ann and I have made is that I'll feed the birds here, but we'll buy that sunflower seed stuff that's already shelled, because it was making such a mess. Such a mess. Okay, is this calming or boring? Oh, fighting birds. Not getting any of the pretty ones, though. We do get cardinals every now and then. Oh, one just went up there. See it? Shouldn't they be eating bugs? I hear that the cicadas are going to be bad for 2 weeks, and that the birds love the cicadas. Great food. RD just came up. The birds don't care. Oh, I guess they did.